I'm back in Springfield, getting a nice little sunshine and park. Come on, Chico. But what I wanted to show everybody is this little community cat. What do you call it?
Shelter?
A cat shelter that's just open for stray cats to come and hang out. And I love, see there's one right there. I scared him earlier and he ran out. And I didn't mean to scare him, but so he was in this little shelter until I walked up and he got a little spooked. But anyway, so this is a community cat shelter. I'm assuming this building right here is part of it because they got, you know, obviously they got this big ol' kitty and dog painting. See? So right here is this little Daddy and Chico. Yeah, so it's got like, there's a kitty on the bench in there. I don't want to scare him, but so this little itty bitty town I'm in that has those vendor spaces down the street has this cute little cat shelter. It's a Siamese kitty. Super pretty. So anyway, that's the kitty shelter. Hi, honey. He's just chilling. He's not scared. Hi, baby. He's just chilling. This one's like, I'm used to this. It's all good, huh? Yeah, bye-bye, baby. Anyway, little bitty town in the middle of nowhere, and this is what they got. One of the coolest things ever. Yeah, I'm gonna get a picture of that. All right, we'll see ya. Thought I'd share my cute little kitty place.